It is the Cardiff and Vale College Apprenticeship Awards, and everyone in this room has deserved to be here. It is an amazing roll call. I've looked through the list of honours, some very, very worthy candidates. So as I say, make sure you celebrate and enjoy yourselves here this evening.
Good evening everybody, and hello and welcome to Cardiff and Vale College Apprenticeships Awards. I can't believe we're here again. This week is National Apprenticeship Week 2023, a week to further raise the profile of apprenticeships and celebrate the huge impact they have on people, employers and the economy of our great country.
All of us know here that apprentices work, and it's our responsibility to grow apprenticeships for the world of work, for industry and for young people. To take on new apprentices is really important, to look for new ways that apprenticeships can support existing staff with your business and to help change your business. To develop new pathways into careers with diverse workforces, and to spread the word and encourage others to do the same.
So Cardiff and Vale College delivers apprenticeships on behalf of Welsh Government and does through a network of 21 expert partners. And we come together to think creatively, to collaborate and to meet the changing needs of apprentices, employers and whole sectors.
Apprenticeships are amazing things that are changing people's lives and changing the shape of the workforce.